Powerlifting, a game of strength, endurance, and sheer will, is not just a sport, it's a lifestyle that can transform you from within. Powerlifting is a unique blend of physical prowess and mental fortitude. It's the art of pushing your body to its limits, lifting heavy weights, and defying the constraints of your physical form. It's about more than just muscle mass, more than just brute force. Powerlifting can lead to increased muscle mass for sure, but it also improves bone health, enhances mental toughness, and boosts self-confidence. It's a journey of self-discovery, a commitment to self-improvement, a testament to what the human body can achieve. But remember, safety is paramount in this endeavor. Proper form and technique are crucial to prevent injuries. The journey of powerlifting begins with understanding and mastering the three main lifts: the squat, the bench press, and the deadlift. So, let's dive right into it. The squat is the king of all exercises, building strength and stability from your core to your lower body. Now let's break down the squat. Start with your feet shoulder width apart. As you prepare to lower your body, envision sitting back into a chair. Keep your chest up, your gaze forward, and maintain a neutral spine. Your hips should hinge back, and your knees should track over your toes without caving inward. Squats are a powerhouse of a movement. They work your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core, enhancing your lower body strength. But squats do more than just build muscle. They improve your mobility and core stability, key components in powerlifting and everyday life. Remember, start with lighter weights and focus on your form. This isn't a race to lift the heaviest weight, but a journey to unlock your strength. As you gain confidence and strength, you can gradually increase the load. Squats are not just an exercise, they're an investment in your strength journey. The bench press is the ultimate test of upper body strength, targeting your chest, shoulders, and triceps. When it comes to the bench press, the devil is in the details. Let's start with hand placement. Position your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart on the barbell. This will allow you to fully engage your chest and triceps. Next, focus on your chest. As you lower the barbell, feel your chest muscles stretch. This is key for muscle growth and strength. And remember, this isn't a race, control is king. Lower the barbell in a slow, controlled motion, and then push it back up with power. The bench press isn't just about building a bigger chest. It's also a fantastic exercise for enhancing shoulder stability. This is crucial for preventing injury and ensuring you can continue your strength journey for years to come. Again, start light and focus on technique. Once your form is solid, you can start adding weight. The deadlift is a true full-body exercise, working everything from your legs to your back to your grip. It's one of the most powerful tools in your strength-building arsenal. Now let's break down the proper form. Start with your feet hip-width apart, bar over mid-foot. Hinge at the hips, keeping the bar close to your body. Maintain a neutral spine, no rounding or arching. As you lift, drive through your heels and engage your glutes. The benefits of deadlifts are manifold. They can significantly increase your total body strength, especially in your posterior chain. That's the muscles running down your backside. Deadlifts also help improve your posture, and they enhance your grip strength, which is beneficial for other lifts and everyday tasks. Remember, this lift requires precision, so start light and prioritize form. As you get stronger and more confident, you can start lifting heavier. The journey to strength is a marathon, not a sprint. Each rep is a step forward. Powerlifting is more than just lifting weights. It's about pushing your limits and discovering what you're truly capable of. Throughout this journey, remember the importance of mastering the three main lifts: the squat, bench press, and deadlift. These compound movements are the bedrock of powerlifting and are incredibly effective for building strength and muscle mass. Consistency is key. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your strength. It's about showing up day after day, even when it's tough. It's about investing in yourself, just like investing for beginners. You start small and grow over time. Remember, proper form is paramount. Start with lighter weights to focus on technique, then gradually increase the load as your confidence builds. Powerlifting is a journey, not a destination, and every journey begins with a single step. Your journey doesn't end here. Click on one of the videos now appearing on the screen and take the next step toward becoming a stronger man. Until next time, stay strong.